Hi, in this video today I want to show you how you can clean out your Philips fabric shaver. It does come with a little brush in the box. If you've lost the box and the brush, you can always use an old toothbrush. So we're going to remove this little outer cover here and we need to unscrew this. We're going to be unscrewing it counterclockwise, so anti-clockwise, just like so. Now be very careful with this, there's sharp blades on the inside, so do not cut yourself. So we're still unscrewing. And there we go, that comes out there. Now this is the blade assembly here. Normally when you come to clean it out, I haven't cleaned this out, you would just be emptying out this, but every now and then it will build up in here as well, so this is where you would need to take it apart further. So we're going to be taking this out like so, being careful you don't touch those blades on the top because they will cut you. Now we're going to get our little brush and we're just going to gently clean around the blades. You can see it's coming off on the table there. And I'm going to clean underneath it as well. It's held in with little springs here, so do it very gently. And we're going to put that to one side. Make sure that no kids or pets go near that. And we're going to clean this out. And we're cleaning this out here. And around the motor shaft. And all around here as well. And normally you would tip this out over a bin, but you can see the amount that it gathers there. And that's it, then we just have to reassemble. So we're going to get the blades, again being careful, and you can see here that there's like, if you have a look, there's kind of like a square, can you see it's not round? And this isn't round either. So basically just rotate it round until it slots into place. So it can go on that way or 180 degrees that way. And just push it down, keeping your hands well away from the blades. Right, that's in its home. Now we're going to screw this back in, and we're screwing it back in clockwise, like so. And now it's working again. Hopefully there'll be less friction there because you've cleaned it out. Your batteries will last a bit longer. Thanks a lot for watching.